Jacob Miller. Lifestyle, music career, and legacy. Jacob Miller, born on May 4, 1952, in Mandeville, Jamaica, remains one of the most beloved and influential figures in reggae music. Known for his powerful voice, charismatic stage presence, and conscious lyrics, Miller's contributions to the genre have solidified his place in music history, despite his life being tragically cut short. Music career. Jacob Miller's journey into music began at a young age. After relocating to Kingston, he developed a passion for singing and quickly made a name for himself in the vibrant reggae scene. In the early 1970s, he recorded his first tracks, including Love is a Message and Keep on Knocking, which showcased his soulful voice and ability to connect with audiences. Miller's career reached new heights when he joined Inner Circle in 1976 as their lead vocalist. The band, already well established, found a perfect match in Miller, whose energetic performances and distinct sound brought them international acclaim. Together, they produced several hit songs, including Tenement Yard, Tired Fi Lick Weed in a Bush, and Forward Ever, Backward Never. These tracks resonated with fans for their vibrant rhythms and socially conscious themes. Jacob Miller's collaboration with producer Augustus Pablo further solidified his reputation as a reggae icon. Tracks like Baby I Love You So and Each One Teach One became classics, demonstrating his versatility and depth as an artist. Miller's charisma and talent earned him the nickname Killer Miller, reflecting his dynamic impact on stage and in the studio. His influence extended beyond music. He became an advocate for Rastafarian culture, using his platform to promote messages of unity, peace, and resistance against oppression. Jacob Miller was deeply committed to his Rastafarian beliefs, which shaped his lifestyle and music. He embraced a natural and spiritual way of living, often advocating for love, harmony, and justice. His vibrant personality and sense of humor made him a beloved figure among friends, fans, and fellow musicians. Despite his rising fame, Miller remained grounded, frequently connecting with his community and using his music to address social issues. His lifestyle reflected the essence of reggae, a blend of cultural pride, resistance, and joy. Legacy and influence. Jacob Miller's life was tragically cut short in a car accident on March 23, 1980, at the age of 27. His untimely death shocked the reggae world, but his music and influence endure. Miller's work with Inner Circle, as well as his solo recordings, continue to inspire new generations of artists and fans. Songs like Tenement Yard and Forward Ever, Backward Never remain anthems of resilience and hope, often sampled and covered by modern musicians. Inner Circle's continued success, partly fueled by Miller's legacy, further attests to his lasting impact on the genre. Net worth and recognition. Although Jacob Miller's career was tragically short, his contributions to reggae brought him both fame and financial success. While exact figures are hard to estimate, his recordings and enduring influence ensure that his estate continues to benefit from his work. Jacob Miller's name is synonymous with the golden age of reggae. His timeless music and charismatic spirit ensure that his legacy remains vibrant, celebrated by fans worldwide as a symbol of the genre's enduring power and soul.